The Dr. Althea 345 Relief Cream is marketed as a recovery cream for irritated post-acne skin, something I definitely needed after a breakout phase. It works with centella asiatica, ceramides, and panthenol, all aimed at calming redness and supporting skin repair. The texture is lightweight but hydrating, so it layers well under sunscreen or makeup. After 2 weeks, I noticed my skin tone looked more even and red marks from pimples faded faster than usual. It didn't sting on active spots and actually made my skin feel smoothed after exfoliating. My face felt smoother and less inflamed overall. The downside is that it's not super moisturizing for very dry skin, and the results for deeper scars are slow. Still, it performs incredibly well for redness, irritation, and mild post-acne marks. For anyone with sensitive or healing skin, Dr. Althea 345 is a gentle yet effective recovery cream that delivers calm, healthy looking results. And that is my review of the Dr. Althea 345 Relief Cream.